Morning, class. Welcome back to another session of History of Magic and the second deadest place on Earth, my bedroom. This week, we're going to go ahead and continue on with where we left off last week and discuss more of the connections between Christianity and magic. Okay, so from the 12th to 15th centuries, when Christianity was widely accepted, while magic has a bad connotation when associated with medieval times, there were in fact many different varieties of magic performed in medieval Europe that came to fruition because of Christianity. Instead of being able to identify one type of magician, there were many who practiced several types of magic in these times, including monks, priests, physicians, surgeons, midwives, folk healers, and diviners. We have many more written works from monks and priests than lay people because, unlike the latter, well, for simple reasons, the monks and priests were literate and were able to read and write. Lay people in those days weren't. So they were able to document their day-to-day activities. Much of their magic consisted of using medicinal herbs, we still use those today, for healing purposes. Each monastery was expected to be able to provide medical aid and would use various types of magic to do so. Classical medicine entailed magical elements. They would use charms or potions in hopes of driving out sickness. Remember that. Many ordinary parish priests may have had some experience in medicine, but were more likely to practice other forms of magic. For example, it was a duty of a parish priest to perform agricultural ritual for infertile fields in the 12th century. I say again, it was one of the duties of the parish priest to perform an agricultural ritual for infertile fields in the 12th century. The ceremony takes an entire day and consists of digging out clumps of the earth and sprinkling it with holy water, oil, milk, honey, and herbs, and a recitation. This is seen as a Christian act because the words the priest says are taken from the Bible, specifically Genesis 1:28. Magical acts such as these were widespread because it seemed to be under the umbrella of Christianity, but also has ties to classical magic. So, this year, if you can't get your crops to grow, call a priest. Maybe they can do a infertile field ritual on it. Anyway, that's our class for today. We're going to keep it short and sweet. As always, I'll post this video and then look for the test questions directly underneath it. Hope you all have a great day and enjoy the class.